Hello once again. So this is another cactus that needs to be repotted. This was planted last summer or so, and it needs some fresh soil. I'm sorry. So I want to wrap this wrapping paper just to hold it, because can you tell? You see the spines? This is a Mammillaria fish hook spined cactus. And just get a little bit of the old soil out of there. Nice healthy roots. Just try to break up some of the soil. Cactus is very spiny, and because they're shaped like fish hooks, they really dig in sometimes. Okey-doke. I picked this pot to put them in. I think that's sufficient pot for them. Center it down in there. Add the soil. These hooks are really gripping on. Pack all this soil down. You really don't want any empty spaces in there. Okey-doke. That's all that is. And there you have it. Thanks, guys. And please don't forget to follow and like.